Ooh, tell me that's not melted. Tell me that's not melted.
It's been given.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a custom wig unit sent to me by Dharmaraycollection. I'm super excited to work with this brand. They sent me over a 14-inch blonde wig with some dark roots. I'm gonna go ahead and install it for you guys, talk a little bit about the brand and just my first impressions about the hair. So let's get right on into it. So this brand is owned by a woman named Olivia. She's been making wigs since 2017, and she does use the sewing machine method, which makes the wigs a lot more sturdy and durable and last much longer. Because child, when I be making my wigs myself and I be hand sewing them, the seams be coming apart when I be combing through the hair, and we don't like that. So I'm really happy that they are machine sewn wigs. I gave her all of my measurements, so this is custom to fit my head. She does have same day and next day services available if you are in her area, but she does also take orders for shipping. Here is the unit. I'm gonna take it off the head for you guys, give you a little close up of what the roots are looking like. Really pretty blonde. It came in a really pretty silver mailing package, and then on the inside it had a nice drawstring bag, and it came with a little note, and it was just super duper cute. The wig smells awesome. It smells really nice and clean. The hair is super soft. If you look the inside construction of the wig, it looks like a really nice cap, and you also have the elastic band here, which does have an adjustment, and I've never seen an elastic band with this type of adjustment before, so I'm super excited to try this. I'm actually gonna put it on the tightest for when I put it on. So let's go ahead and put this on. Okay. Right off the bat, the wig does fit really comfortable to my head. It's not super tight, which is good. Let's see if it fits around. Oh, and there is a hole in the lace, but she did make me aware of that beforehand. She let me know in advance that while she was plucking the hairline on the wig, she got a little bit of a tear in the lace, but it doesn't go up into the hairline, so I could cut it right off. And I really like that she let me know that in advance, because sometimes people will send you stuff with imperfections and they won't let you know. I don't like that. I'm glad she let me know, and it's really not a problem because I'm gonna cut the lace off anyway. The roots look really good. The only thing that I'm not really feeling right now is how the part is looking, but we can fix that. I'm gonna go ahead and tint this lace. I think I've talked about this on my channel before, but this is the Abin New York tinted lace spray in light warm brown. I'm gonna go ahead and tint this entire lace, and I'm just gonna spray all on the lace. And I want to get the whole frontal, so I'm trying to be pretty generous with the product. Now we can, as you guys can see, it's already blending into my skin much easier. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this back on. All right, that's much better already. I do plan to wear this unit glueless, but I do like that I have the option of wearing it glued down if I want to. So just have it pulled to where I want it to be, because we're just gonna go ahead and cut off this lace and see. I like to use a razor to cut my lace off, personally. Some people like to use scissors. Razors just work out better for me, and you just get a bit more of a jagged edge, personally. Go ahead and cut this lace. I try not to cut straight across. And ooh, tell me that's not melted. Tell me that's not melted. Nah, you guys. You guys. Come on, lace. Oh, back to what I was saying about the holes in the lace. She had told me, you know, like, because there's a lace shortage and everything going on, as you guys, if you guys are familiar with wigs, you know that there is a lace shortage going on, and it's just been really hard to get quality lace wigs because of the lace shortage that's been going on. We are going to avoid doing that if possible. I wear my wigs glueless, so it really don't matter too much if I mess it up, because I won't be wearing it that way anyway. I think it's just bothering me because the roots aren't all the way brown right here, so I think she just kind of missed a little bit of a spot. I'm pretty sure that happened because she didn't want to get dye on the lace, and I'd rather not have dye on my lace. I'd rather it look like this, but I think I could just fix this with some eyeshadow later and it'll look much more natural. But that's what one side looks like. I low-key just want to cut this into like a 6x6. I'm gonna finesse this. Okay, you guys, so what I decided to do was take the wig off my head, throw some curls in it really quick, and then put it back on to show you guys how I style it. This is not going to take super duper long. I'm just going to fast forward through the footage and you guys will see how easy it was for me to style this hair. To start, I'm just taking a hot comb and pushing back on the hairline because this is going to allow me to see what baby hairs I can work with and just what hair I have available to hide the lace, because as you guys can see, the lace is a little bit visible. This is not HD lace, so this is to be expected. So I'm just going to show you guys how I melt this lace with baby hairs. So I'm just taking some mousse here, and this is how I usually set my edges on my wigs because gel or edge control or anything like that usually mixes in with my makeup and it turns a weird color. So I like to use mousse, and as you guys can see, it is concealing the lace pretty well. I know some people hate baby hairs, but I feel like I had to do it. And I did spray a little bit of extra lace tint spray on a certain spot, and I'm just kind of seeing like how this is gonna go, because I didn't want to let this video go by without showing you guys like low-key how you actually could lay the wig instead of like my lazy way that I usually do, just throwing the wig on and putting it in a part. So yeah, I'm just finalizing the part, making sure that everything is perfect, and then you'll see a little bit later I'm going to use this bedhead hairspray to secure the wig down and keep the baby hairs in place, and this is just how I'm going to wear the wig. Now I'm going to tie up my edges. Now, I see a lot of people do this, but I actually wish I would have skipped this step. I feel like it made the baby hairs look a little bit stuck to my head, but I would have just normally just let the hair dry and set it like that, but you guys will see how it turned out. It's not too bad, but yeah, you guys will see. The next really important thing is to check what your lace looks like on your phone in some natural lighting, just to make sure that the lace is lacing. You feel me? I'll insert the clip that I recorded. Now, overall, I do think it looks okay, but I did miss some spots when I was tinting the lace. So those are the parts of the lace that you could see. You guys could see it. So I will eventually go back and tint that again. But I'm just going to throw some curls in the hair and finish this look up for you guys and give you my final thoughts. Overall, I really do like this hair. The quality of the hair is great. I've tried other blonde wigs before, as you guys have seen. You've probably seen my previous video if you're watching this one. It's another blonde unit that I picked up, and the shedding was absolutely disgusting. Every time you run your finger through the hair, it sheds. It just sheds and sheds and sheds. If you wear black, forget about it. It's gonna look like a dog shedding, you know what I mean? I do have a little bit of shedding with this hair. I may get like 1 or 2 strands when I run my fingers through it, but nothing to the extent of the wig that I purchased on Amazon for really, really cheap. So you get what you pay for. If you want quality, reach out to Dharmaray Collection because they got it, and that's on period. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. It feels great, it looks great, it's a nice density. I would say this is about 150% density, so this is really, really great. I am really surprised that this 613 blonde actually doesn't look that bad on me, because normally I would never wear this hair color. And honestly, I am gonna go ahead and tone this hair to a blonde that better matches my skin tone. So if you guys are interested in that, keep a lookout, because I will be doing a second video which will just update you guys on the hair and show y'all how I tone it to my favorite color, blonde. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, because I will be doing that video. But as of right now, like, it looks really, really cute. I threw this cute little headband on with it as well, but I could take this off just so you guys can see the wig in the flesh. It looks really, really good, y'all. Super duper nice, bouncy. It's not stiff. You would think because it's bleached that it would be a little bit stiff. No, it has lots of body. I really like the color that she chose to do for the roots. It looks really, really nice on my skin tone. The only thing that I don't like is that the parting is a little bit wide, and I think it's looking like that because it's not dyed all the way to the root. Like, if she would have got like this much closer to the root, I think it would just make the part look a little bit more skinny. I feel like it looks a little bit wide right now, but I can probably fix this with just like some eyeshadow or something and just bring the part a little bit closer. But other than that, I'm really happy with how this hair turned out. Let me put my little headband back on because it's cute. Make regular size headbands great again, okay? I'm sick of those big jumbo headbands. I think they look so sus. Well, especially on me, because my head is already big. I do not need that, okay? She really came through with this unit, and I'm super happy with it. She's so talented. If you go on her Instagram, please check it out and look at all of the wigs that she has to offer. She always has something on her website that you guys can purchase, so go ahead and check out my sis. And thank you again to Olivia for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see what other looks we come up with next. So comment down below what color you think I'll be doing next. All the information about the brand will be down below, so go check her out, okay? And tell her that I sent you. I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.